Are you searching for a stress-free student residence in Nottingham? Introducing The Village. Located in the heart of the city, this dependable accommodation offers a range of en-suite rooms and shared apartments. All the rooms here come with a cozy bed, wardrobe, shared kitchen, personal study area, and high-speed Wi-Fi. When you're bored sitting in your room all day, head over to the cozy common area with your pals and play football, or watch a trending Netflix show on communal TV. The array of social events like summer barbecue, free pancakes, and pop-up market hosted at the residence is perfect for socializing. You also get free printing facilities at the reception, monthly communal cleaning, and 24/7 security to ensure your safety. In addition, both University of Nottingham and Nottingham Trent University are located at close proximity to the property, so you don't have to worry about running late for the morning lectures. Furthermore, the city center is just a short bus ride away, so you'll always be in the middle of all the bustle and hustle. After class, head over to Greg's and grab a bite with your pals, or take a bus from the nearest bus station to explore the city further. The Village could be the perfect addition to your student journey. Visit amberstudent.com to book your room today.